So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about why I'm currently not driving for Uber and Lyft. So I wanted to make this update situation with you guys all. It's currently mid-August, late August, and I just wanted to come clean with you guys because if you guys haven't been watching the channel, basically there's been a whirlwind of things going on this channel, and I myself have been an Uber and Lyft driver for almost 2 years now, and for over 2 years actually is when I started. And I've done Uber, Lyft, Instacart, DoorDash, or no, I haven't done DoorDash yet, but I've done Uber Eats and Postmates. And there's a reason why I don't drive for Uber and Lyft right now, and I'm sticking to food delivery. The main reason is because I don't like wearing this thing. What's this? A face mask. Shout out to Marcel von Berlin, designer company, for making these really comfy face masks. I don't know what it is, but for me, when I drive rideshare with this thing on, like in the car, this is what I'm driving. I can't see anything. Do you have any of you guys drive with glasses? My glasses fog up like crazy. Guys, no, seriously, there's a lot going on, but at the same time, the main reason I don't like wearing this. I can't even wear it going outside. I know what you're thinking, Dylan, oh my gosh, it's so hard to breathe in a face mask. Imagine trying to breathe on a ventilator. No, I get it. I have asthma. I have actually really bad asthma. I've actually had pneumonia, so when COVID started and everything, I was freaking the heck out. I didn't go outside. I didn't hang out with any friends. I chilled at home. I didn't go out and work. I worked at home. I'm an entrepreneur, so luckily I do have the ability to work from my laptop. But again, I like to go out and do these apps, but I couldn't. And why? Because I think coronavirus, well, I think it's being overhyped, to be quite frank. And I know, I understand it's a disease and people are, I understand, I get it. But at the same time, it just makes me I question things a little bit more. And I try not to get canceled over this, so I'm gonna keep this like as opinionated as possible. But personally, medically, it's really hard for me to wear a mask, and I've actually heard a lot of studies saying that cloth masks are dangerous. They actually increase your likelihood of getting coronavirus because you're constantly breathing into it and it collects a lot of moisture, and you're basically increasing your pathogen intake wearing this. And these things usually don't get washed regularly. Like, how many times have I washed this since I bought it? 0 times. Are you washing your cloth masks every single day? Multiple times a day? No. Like, I think, I get it, like probably wearing face masks properly, wearing surgical masks when you go out and stuff, probably does decrease the likelihood of getting this sickness. But for me, I don't like going out, and honestly, I don't want strangers in my car sitting in my back seat less than a foot away from me. I don't know if that guy's sick or not or whatever, what's going on. I don't want to be in contact with those people. I'm honestly fine going to the beach right now. I think being in open air is a good thing. Being in a closed space, trust me, I've gone out and driven Uber. I made a vlog. Type in my first day driving back for Uber. It'll be the first one on YouTube. Rideshare app, whatever. They say drive with your windows down. How are you supposed to drive with your windows all the way down, going 75 on the freeway? Like, just freaking wind blowing everywhere? It doesn't work practically. I don't know if these people who work for Uber thought about that. Oh yeah, just make sure to keep your windows down at all times. Bruh, people going 80, following the flow of traffic on the freeway, everyone going 75, 80? No, thank you. Other than that, there's just, I'm focusing on other things right now. I'm focusing on TikTok, focusing on making videos there, focusing on the channel on YouTube, covering these news stories. There's a lot going on. I've kind of been dedicating my channel to following that. My camera's about to die. I want to keep this short, sweet, and simple. But yeah, guys, that's why I'm currently not driving for Uber and Lyft. I'll try to make an update video in the future going into more detail when I have more light, because it's about to get dark and it looks grainy already and it's gonna annoy me. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay safe out there, and for now, like and subscribe. Bye, guys.